Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today in this video series I am going to show you how you can create attractive logo for your website and any business purpose. So before we start, I'll show you some of logo I design and you can design after seeing this video tutorial. This is the first logo. This is the first logo. This one is second logo. This one is third logo. Fourth. So this type of logo you can design from your mobile within minimal time period. So let's start how you can design same logo. So to make logos, first go to Google and type Wix Logo Maker. This is of course free and it will give you really attractive logo. So then click on get it now. Then you can see here it will show my some of logo already designed. So if I want to edit this logo, I can go to selecting any one of this one. So I want to show you new tutorial, so I'll go new logo. So here you can click and create logo. So you can give the name of your business or any suggestive name you can put here which your logo is based on. So I'll give name here logo DSIGN tutorial. Same name will be appear in your logo. So let's go start. So anyone you can select here, whatever you select here, finally logo output will be same, so it doesn't matter anything. Click on next. So even if you select anyone, it's okay. Even if you don't select anyone, it doesn't matter. So you can skip or next. So skip. So you can select either one or skip. Finally design interface will be same whatever you select or not. So it is accumulating its data for logo. So here is a logo design which either one you can select. Even if you didn't use select anyone, no problem, you can custom design your logo from here. So for my reference, I'll just select either one. So this one I'll select. So this is the one. So I'll delete this one. If you want to keep this one, no problem. So you can design custom here. So change the color of this text to green. Okay, then okay, here I change its color. I didn't color to green. I didn't click right here, that's why it was not selected. Second one, I'll leave it as it is. So even font, anything you can change here. So I want here one logo here of book, okay, at the top of this text. So from here I will add one logo of book. So you can search your book. So I'll select either one book, this one. So okay, anyone you can select it as per your necessity. So for our purpose to show you, I select this logo. So so from here you can move this logo up and down. And if you want another logo below from this text, then again you can insert logo. Then I want this logo inside one circle, so just go here, add new, then type here circle. So circle, here is mini circle, you can see here. So I'll select this circle. Okay, so this is the circle. So I want this text and logo inside this circle. Now this is the logo, so I'll make it a little smaller, which will fit exactly inside. So this is simple logo design. So even you can add text as per your need, and you can input logo here, several logo, and you can change the color as per your need. So in this way, and finally after you design this logo, you can make screen print. So just make the screen print from your mobile. Make the screen print. After your logo is ready, then you can use this screen print as your logo, or you can preview your logo here. If you go through this one, it will take some option for some data, so it will consume your time. better you just screen print and you can use for this logo for your business purpose. Thank you for seeing this video.